Nasunog ang isang opisina ng Department of Public Works and Highways, Bureau of Research and Standards Building sa Naiya Road sa kahabaan ng EDSA sa Barangay Piñahan, Quezon City nitong Miyerkules, October 22, 2025. Nagsimula ang sunog dakong alas 12:30 ngayong tanghali. Ayon sa isang security guard, nakalabas naman ng ligtas ang lahat ng empleyado na nasa gusali. Ayon sa initial na impormasyon na ibinigay ng Quezon City Bureau of Fire, umabot sa ikatlong alarma ang sunog dakong alas 12:56 ng hapon. Patuloy pa rin ang pagresponde ng mga kagawad ng mapamatay sunog at bumibigat na ang daloy ng trapiko sa northbound lane ng EDSA bunsod ng pagdating ng mga truck ng bumbero. Ayon naman sa mga komento ng mga netizens, sunog o sadyang sinunog para walang ebidensya. Ayon kay Lee Alvarez. Ayon naman kay Ronaldo Duran, haroy, sunog na mga documents, ligtas na ang may alam. From Johnny Mirano, sunog na, alam na, ligtas na yung mga sangkot. From Eddie Ikaw, halata masyado, sadya para walang ebidensya. From Brain Marks Bailon, para walang resibo makita, magaling. Mula naman kay Glenn Paraiso Caballero, safe na ang DPWH. Nagbigay ng opisyal na pahayag ang Department of Public Works and Highways sa nasunog na DPWH Bureau of Research and Standards Building sa Quezon City. A statement on the fire incident at the DPWH Bureau of Research and Standards. The DPWH confirms that no documents related to the ongoing investigation into the flood control anomalies were in the Bureau of Research and Standards building that caught fire in Quezon City today. The DPWH BRS is responsible for the conduct of research, studies, pilot testing, and formulation of policies for government infrastructure projects. Initial findings indicate that the fire originated from a computer unit inside the materials testing division that reportedly exploded. No employees were harmed during the incident. An investigation team to assess the fire incident has been deployed and is currently conducting a thorough assessment to determine the full extent of the damage and to prevent similar incidents in the future. Further updates will be provided once additional information becomes available.
Sa materials testing itong facility na to, more or less, no?
Apo. Yung kung naapektuhan floor ay office spaces ng personnel. Meron din po kami laboratory sa baba, pero hindi na nga po naapektuhan. Yun lang pong office space.
Okay. Pero ma'am,
kami po ay nasa second floor. Yung pong third floor, kung saan nagsimula yung apoy, ay patante, umaattend ng training yung tao sa fourth floor. Ako, kaya po nung makita, medyo may apoy na.
Pero by this time, malamang meron na ding report po sa inyo ng mga tao sa opisina ninyo, anong security personnel ninyo kung paano, saan nanggaling yung apoy.
Anong room mo?
Doon nga po sa isang cubicle na walang tao po.
Cubicle?
Computer. Doon po. Kasi yan po, yung office namin.
Apa, ulit na lang kung ano yung mga research na doon na lang po.
Nagpakontak po ng research, Bureau of Research and Standards, doon sa bago, new and innovative materials na pinapropose po ng mga proponents, yung mga supplier, itetest po yun, idadaan sa proseso kung pwedeng gamitin sa infrastructure projects na pinapagawa ng DPWH.
Hindi siya kasama doon sa mga flood control?
Hindi po. Wala po kaming dokumento dito na tungkol doon sa mga projects na under investigation. Dahil po, ang testing of materials ng mga proyekto ng district engineering offices and regional offices ay sila ang nagpapatak dahil they are capable to do that testing.
So, ibig sabihin ma'am, wala pong sensitive materials or documents?
Wala po.
Sa buong gusali ma'am,
Wala po.
I'm asking the NBI and the BFP to check if there's arson. Kung ito'y sadyang sinunog o aksidente. Madali naman malaman niya kung arson yan. Pero hopefully, ay natural cause yan. Pero I'm sure that there are backup documents naman pagdating dito. And it's a working day, so people were able to save their computers, hopefully, which contain the information. At syempre, it's disturbing that in a place like Quezon City, masusunog yung record sa isang office na maraming investigation pa ang kinakailangan mangyari. So, we're just worried that it might stifle some or become an excuse to evade responsibility. But we will not allow that. So that's for the fire that happened today.
Chairman, may I just throw a question? Actually, it's from left field. Either former Secretary Babe Singson or the DPWH representative. I just want to know what is there in the DPWH Quezon City office that was burning a few hours ago. Alam doon.
If I'm not mistaken, this might be part of the Region 4A office. Tama ba? Kasi kung yun yung nasa Kamuning area, I'm not sure. But I know there are 1 or 2 offices along EDSA in that area, Quezon City, 4A. So I hope it is not our zone.
I just thought that the media would like to would be interested to find out. Miss, the ASEC of DPWH?
ASEC Villar.
Yes, Your Honor. This is actually Region 4B, the Regional Office 4B of the DPWH.
4B.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mindoro.
Ito po yung dito po ang site ng testing materials ng DPWH ng mga suppliers like semento, mga bakal. Dito po tinitest. So, we are looking into it already. Pero ito po yung testing site nung
Testing site. Wala mga dokumento ron?
Of course, meron po, Your Honor.
Naku.
So, testing site, with the permission of the Senate President, testing site and the office of the regional DPWH Region 4B. Okay.
Yes,
So,
sir.
yung mga dokumento ng regional office of the DPWH Region 4B is housed in that office.
Well,
A number,
a number, but most of it naman po nasa database na ng central.
Okay. Yes,
Sir, GMA News has reported that the fire specifically affected the Bureau of Research Standards building. That's what they said. Bureau of Research Standards building.
testing.
Testing po, Your Honor.
Yes, Justice Andres Reyes,
Yes,
go ahead.
with due respect to that office, as per testimony of witness Bryce Hernandez, there is 1% for the testing office of the DPWH, where voucher is 1%. Thank you.
So the 1% documentation is gone. Okay, thank you for the information.
Mag-subscribe at i-click ang notification bell para sa mga susunod na video updates. Maraming salamat po.